Hey, what's up Cardano holders? So this is very special update for all new holder of Cardano and very important price prediction for all now. So Cardano holder must watch this video completely to understand better now, and I also share opinion my brother. So this time Cardano is completely on the trending and moving in upward direction, definitely my friend, because when a short term investor they are stop selling, they are starting holding, so definitely they will move upward now. Cardano holder in those days, my brother, especially all crypto market is dumps down. But as you can see here, my brother, Cardano last 7 days chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely moving in upward direction. That's clear, my brother. As you can see here, they will give you a profit in this month. But my brother, one thing I want to share with you, my brother, too, and those days, especially my brother, especially XRP, Shiba, Dogecoin, my brother, these type of cryptocurrencies is also in very trending now. So if you want to invest more, so I think this is a good option so now to you invest now. And remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, kindly do this what I tell you, my brother. I hope you will be never lost, my brother. Alright, as you can see here, this time, my brother, the price is 1.45 USD dollars. So a lot of holders ask us to win and win, my brother. Can this is possible? Can they will hit now 2 USD dollar? So my brother, this is possible to just in only they will hit in 1 week, my brother, if they will get a 10% profit in every 24 hours. This is possible, my brother. They will hit 2 USD dollars just in only in 1 week now. But absolutely, my brother, if they will get just in only 2% to 5% and every day, so this is possible, my friend, and 2 weeks. But if they will, my friends, get a 2% profit, so this is possible, my friend, in 3 weeks. And exactly, my brother, if they will just only get a 1%, so this is possible in 1 month, my brother. So hope you understand, my brother. In this video, everything, my brother, is very important for all of you. So kindly, my brother, understand and please do this what I talk to you. I hope you will never lose. Please like video, remember to subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.